And I will just enter this. But
if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed.
Hi, welcome to Rifki the Cyber. In this video, I would like to explain it to you how we can simply generate the GSM signal like mocking the GSM transmit. It doesn't mean I want to tell you how to create the BTS fake. No, it is just mocking how the behavior of the GSM transmissions using the clean RFCN that at least in my home we don't have this one. Now, what I'm using is currently I'm using the Hack RF. This is the Hack RF. This is capable to do the transmit. And I already checked the frequency that I will have is really clean in my house. And how do I know? Because also I'm using... how do I know this is clean? Because I'm checking also with the RF analyzer that I have it in my Android here, in my Android phone. So in my Android phone, I have the RF analyzer. So in my Android phone, I have Android, and also I have a SDR here. I also have the SDR here, and also I have the one panel antenna here. So this is really one directions of the antenna we can use in this case. This is the SDR, and I think I already showed it to you. I have my own Hack RF already prepared and connected to my laptop, and then I will generate with only one command to generate the BTS like transmissions wave radio frequency in this case. Okay, this is quite it's like this, okay. Now I will just prepare the Hack RF is already connected to my laptop. Now what I'm gonna do, I will using the IRFCN 47 because that is is already clean. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to go to this website skimway.com. Maybe, or you can look at it later in the descriptions, or you just look at in my video, simply Skimway, and then I will go to the GSM, and then I will using the 47 in this case. Okay, the 47 is using the downlink for 944.4 megahertz. The downlink is the signal transmit from the BTS to the cell phone. Usually it's like that. And the uplink is usually the frequency or the wave of the radio frequencies that transmit from the cell phone to the BTS, because this is using the FDD. Okay, then I'm going to use the 47, so we can generate anything, guys, not only in the BTS like, because the BTS is a downlink from the BTS to also the cell phone. That is what you call it, downlink. But I want to generate also the uplink. So what is the difference if we compare with the if we generate directly from the phone? If you generate by the phone, you cannot control what is the frequency, because it's depend to the which BTS that have those RFCN that in the reality you are connected to in the BTS productions of your own operator cellular. But with this you can control it. I will just choose the uplink. In this case is the dialogue between this is the frequency dialogue between the cell phone towards to the BTS. And of course, before we start to have the headless comment for triggering the signaling generator, we need to install it first, right? So it's easy. The installations I will just provide in my GitHub link. You just need to copy like this, right? Copy like this, and then after that you just paste it like this, simple, and then put it your password, and then let the installations finish. Okay, guys, installation already finished, and also it's written already in the new version. It's clear because I already installed it, right? I'm going to show it to you the comment. This is the comment here, and I already prepared the comment. I will try first with the gain 10, let's say. So the comment is like this: Osmocom signal generating with no GUI, because I don't using the GUI here. And I will please tell this to Hack RF, because I'm using the Hack RF, the one that I already showed to you. And I will maybe put it in the screen in the radio, and I will just using the gain 10 first. And the just GSM is the signal GSM that we want to transmit, because it can also using the Gaussian wave, GSM wave, sinusoid wave. But today I'm going to use the GSM wave. So what I'm gonna do, I will just switch on this one. I will minimize, and I will open some necessary. I will just minimize this one. Okay. And now I will facing this to this one. and then I will put the camera facing towards to the HEC RF because there's a transmission antenna. Then I will just enter this. Right? So you can see from here, there is some very significant dBm is increase in this case. And how you stop it is very easy. You can see from this one, press enter to quit. I will just enter this for this one. Now the signal is gone anymore. And then I will using the gain 40 in this case. This is the gain 40. Let's check. Make it stronger, and stronger like this. Okay guys, as easy like that. And you can explore more. For example, as I told you, that if you want to generate another signal, you just simply using this help, for example, and you can also generate the GSM. This is the one that I already showed to you. You can also generate the Gaussian. You can generate sweep GSM or sinusoid modulations carrier with this one, with the sine wave, right? So you can explore with this one, maybe necessary for your own project. And I always say, keep learning and stay humble.